Hi, today on Excel Ed, we're going to be learning about prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word or phrase that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun. There are three types of prepositions. These include location or place, time, and movement. So first off, we have location prepositions. On the right, we have a few examples, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, and in between. So here we have them in sentences on the left. The first sentence is Grace wanted to play on the slide because she was bored. Here on is the location preposition because it locates where Grace wanted to play. The second sentence, the community pool was in front of their house. Here, in front of is the location preposition because it talks about where the pool was located. And keep in mind that prepositions can also be phrases, so a group of words rather than just one word. Our last sentence, under the bed, Maria stored her winter clothes. Under is the location preposition here. So our second kind of prepositions are time prepositions. The most commonly used time prepositions include at, on, and in. So our first example, in 12 years, Ollie will graduate high school and go to college. Here, in is the time preposition because it talks about the time in which Ollie will graduate. Our next sentence, at 3 o'clock, Sarah gets out of school and walks home. At tells the time where Sarah will get out of school. So that's the time preposition in this sentence. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have speech and debate competitions. On is the time preposition because it tells the time when I have speech and debate competitions. So our last kind of prepositions are the movement prepositions. On the right, we have examples of these movement prepositions. And on the left, we have them in sentences. So the first sentence, I try to stay away from the forest behind the school because people say it's haunted. Away from is the prepositional phrase here because it talks about the movement I take in order to stay away from the forest. The next sentence, we ducked down when we saw the basketball hurtling towards us. So here, down would be the movement because I'm ducking when I see the basketball. And our last sentence would be, she went through the tunnel to get to the ski resort. So here, the prepositional phrase would be through because that's how she got to the ski resort. Thank you for listening.